Hello everyone and welcome back to Cao Cao 2025. Today, we're diving back into AI music generation with the Ace Step V1.5 All-In-One AIO model. If you saw our last video, you know how powerful this setup is. The big difference today, the AIO model makes everything way more streamlined. It's cleaner, faster to set up, and perfect for keeping your ComfyUI workspace organized. First things first, we need the model. You can find the download link in the video description below. Once you have the file, navigate to your ComfyUI folder and drop it into ComfyUI/models/checkpoints. Make sure your ComfyUI is up to date. If you're not sure how to do that, check out my previous Ace Step video where I walk you through the update process step by step. Now let's build the workflow. Since this is the all-in-one version, we don't need to load multiple separate models. Add a load checkpoint node and select the Ace Step V1.5 AIO model. Next, add the text encode Ace Step Audio V1.5 node. What does this node do? Think of this node as the translator. It takes your natural language, your lyrics, style tags, and mood descriptions, and converts them into a mathematical format that the audio model can actually understand. Without this, the model wouldn't know the difference between a rock anthem and a lo-fi beat. This is where you get creative. Enter your tags like electronic, high quality, and your lyrics here, and also your other setting. Now let's wire it up. Connect the clip output from your load checkpoint directly to the text encode Ace Step node. Add a K sampler. Connect the positive output from your text encoder to the K sampler's positive input. Since this is a turbo model, we're going to set K sampler's steps to 8 and the CFG to 1. This gives us high-quality audio in a fraction of the time. For the negative input, connect the text encoder to a conditioning 0 out node first, then plug that output into the K sampler's negative slot. Add a model sampling aura flow node. Connect the model output from your checkpoint to this node, then connect its output to the K sampler's model input. Set the shift to 3. Add an empty Ace Step 1.5 latent audio node. Create a float node. You'll need to connect this to both the latent node and the duration input on your text encoder to keep everything in sync. Finally, add a VAE decode audio node, use V from load checkpoint. Connect it to a preview audio or save audio node. Set it to MP3 so you can easily share your creation. Now let's try this.
Coffee's getting cold on the countertop. I'm watching shadows dance until the music stops. I found your letter in a dusty frame, and I still find myself whispering your name. The clock is ticking, but the room is still. I'm climbing up a mountain, such a heavy hill. Oh, it's a long way back to where we started, trying to mend the pieces of the broken hearted. There's a rhythm in the aid, carrying my soul down this empty street. Yeah, I'm moving on, but I'm moving slow, to the heartbeat we used to know. The city lights are humming a lonely tune underneath the glow of a paper moon. I'm finding balance on a thinner line, learning how to leave the ghost of us behind. I saw your coat hanging by the door. I don't reach for the shadow anymore. Oh, it's a long way back to where we started, trying to mend the pieces of the broken hearted. There's a rhythm in the air, carrying my soul down this empty street. Yeah, I'm moving on, but I'm moving slow, to the heartbeat we used to know. And maybe the silence, the percussion of the now. I'm breaking through the gray, finding light in a brand new way. The sun is peeking through the heavy blind, leaving all the what ifs far behind. I'll take a breath and I'll take a step, keeping all the promises I finally kept. Oh, it's a long
song quite good. Remember that if you created a long lyrics without enough duration, some of the lyrics will be omitted. Here is another example.
Whoa! Whoa! Woke up late and I missed the bus. Teacher's always making such a fuss. My skateboard's broken and my shoes are torn. I wish I stayed in bed since I was born. I'm staring at the clock upon the wall, waiting for the bell to ring in the hall. And I'm running circles in my head again, trying to find a way to impress my friends. It's a fast-paced life in a slow-motion town. Nothing's gonna bring me down. Yeah, we're shouting loud and we're playing fast. Make the Friday night feeling really last. There's a party at the house down the street. Cheap pizza and a heavy punk beat. My parents think I'm losing my mind, but I'm just leaving all the boring stuff behind. I've got 3 chords and a lot to say, even if I say it in a messy way. And I'm running circles in my head again, trying to find a way to impress my friends. It's a fast-paced life in a slow-motion town. Nothing's gonna bring me down. Yeah, we're shouting loud and we're playing fast. Make the Friday night feeling really last. Stop! Wait! What did you say? Everything is standing in my way. Go, 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 go! I don't care about the things you know. It's just a blur, it's just a noise, one of the bourbon boys. The sun is coming up and I'm still awake, counting every single little choice I make. Tomorrow is a problem for another guy. I'm gonna keep on soaring till I hit the sky. And I'm running circles in my head again, trying to find a way to impress my friends. It's a fast-paced life in a slow-motion town. Nothing's gonna bring me down. Yeah, we're shouting loud and we're playing fast. Make the Friday night feeling really last. I'm running circles. Yeah, I'm running circles. 1, 2, 3, 4.
The quality is excellent. Both song is the first result I got, no cherry picking. So how does it perform? In my tests, the AIO model takes about the same amount of time to generate as the modular version, although just a few seconds slower. Using a single checkpoint is much simpler and keeps your workflow tidy. You do lose a bit of the granular flexibility you get when swapping individual submodels. If you want a set it and forget it experience, AIO is the way to go. And that's it. You're now ready to blast out some AI-generated tracks using Ace Step 1.5. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Cao 2025 for more AI tutorials.